I got some deliveries, and this time it is from SOLLIE'S Pakistani Indian restaurant. Pakistani Indian restaurant is a takeout and food delivery service in Lapu-Lapu City which serves traditional, authentic Pakistani and Indian cuisine. All of their food uses halal and fresh ingredients, thus they are in a pre-order basis. So to order, you may just message the official social media accounts. So what we have there are their best sellers: the chicken Karahi, vegetables biryani, beef shawarma, Nutella Wrap, Yogourt Lassi, Pakistani Milktea, Suji, Halwa, and potato with cumins. In which mo ginigiunan ako kaon kay ganahit potato nga with the cumin seeds, perfect kayo siya. And now I am having the vegetable biryani. And now I'm having the chicken Karahi na mura siya og curry nga dili lahi sa siya og taste pero lami sa kay siya. What I really like, you can request the level of spiciness para makakaon kag daghan. And karon mas perfect siya kung nasa roti, no, dili siya sa rice. And plus the sauce, kay sauce pa lang ulam na. Since it's my first time to try chicken Karahi and I am really loving it. Thank you so much for introducing this to me. Another new to me is the Suji Halwa, nga more siya kasabak cake nga Indian version. And now let's try the Pakistani Milktea. If ever a milk tea lover, for sure you would love also the twist ng mga pagka-Indian twist sa milk tea. And this is what I am excited for, ang Nutella Wrap. So try to imagine a patala roll or a wrap nga Nutella ang spread sa sulod. So lami yung kaayo. And buti ko na nakalimutan ang beef shawarma. Abi na ko nahuman ako, dili pa di ay uy. And what I really like sa shawarma kay ang beef quality which is so good, and the sauce too. They're serving the best for the last, the mango yogurt lassi. What can go wrong when you combine mango and yogurt, right? But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!